So this is a standard photo with your Mini 2, and this one is a super wide angle. What is up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's always me, Johnny, and today we are gonna see how I did the photo that I showed you like a moment ago. As you read on the title, I'm gonna show you how to make any lens that you wanna use like super wide angle. I mean, you can use your phone, you can use your camera, you can use your drone actually, and anything. I mean, anything that shoots photos. So without wasting any time, let's see how you can do this. So as you saw before, I used a photo made by a drone. The drone is actually the Mini 2, the new Mini 2 from DJI that is right here. And how I did that, it was very easy. I mean, to do that super wide angle effect, you have to take like multiple photos with your camera. What I mean is that you cannot just take one photo and just transform it in a super wide angle. I mean, you have to take all the photos of the surrounding of your subject, we can say. And so with the Mini 2, it's very easy, because just inside the DJI Fly app, you can do the panorama mode on the drone. And I'm going to show you right now what's the panorama mode on the Mini 2. So as you can see, you select the panorama mode on your phone, on your Fly app from DJI, and you just select what kind of panorama you want to do with your drone. And actually, when you select the mode, you just snap the photos with your controller, or maybe just from the phone, you hit the snap and the drone will do anything by himself. I mean, if you do a panorama mode, the drone will just take a snap of his surroundings. I mean, from left to right, or maybe the other way. And also you can do like spherical photos, like that one that looks like a mini planet, and the drone actually will take a shot of anything of the surroundings. So it's actually pretty good, and it's very easy to use. So when you did all these photos, you're gonna think how I use them. It's also very easy because you will just import the photos on your PC, and you're just gonna import it into Lightroom. That is what I use. So I'm gonna tell you how to do this in Lightroom. But I think if you use, in this case, the Mini 2, I think there's an automatic function in the app that just merge these photos together, and you have the super wide photos in your phone just with 2 clicks. But I'm gonna show you how to do this in Lightroom, as I said before. So actually, here we are on Lightroom. I just imported my photos. As you can see, there are 9 photos that the drone took by himself. What you have to do after you imported the photo in Lightroom, you have to select all the photos from here to here. So you just hit shift on the first photos, and you just hold shift and click the last photos that you have on Lightroom. Then you click on any of these photos with the right click, and you just search for a photo merge. You will see here in the menus, you have HDR, Panorama, and HDR Panorama. We are just gonna do a simple panorama here. That is actually the function that the drone has. You just click on Panorama here, and you see that Lightroom will do all the work by himself. You just have not to do anything. Maybe if you don't have the auto crop, you just hit this button and the software just gonna crop the image automatically, and that's it. You can do also this other effect that are spherical, cylindrical, and perspective. You just choose one of these. There are not so many changes between these 3 effects, so you just choose what you like the most and what is actually working better with your photos. I mean, here, as I saw, that one that is work better for these photos is actually the cylindrical one. So I'm gonna click merge, and you just wait right here that Lightroom is creating the panorama photos, and actually we have it right there. So you just click on the photos, you just click develop, and you just start editing your photos. So that's it. As you could see, it's very easy, and it's not taking too much time. I mean, we've done it in like maybe a minute or maybe under a minute. So remember, if you don't have with you some super wide angle lens with your camera, or you just have your phone that doesn't have the super wide angle camera, what you can do is just taking some photos of the surrounding of your subject. So it's better for you that maybe you activate on your camera the grid, because it will help you very much, because you know how much of the surroundings you already taken with your camera. So I don't know if that makes sense, but it made in my head, so whatever. I hope you understand me. But anyway, I think that was it. So thank you for watching and staying till the end of the video. Hope it wasn't too boring. Hope you liked it. If you did, just hit a thumbs up under the video. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing so you can see my next videos on this YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. All the social links are below in the description. And I think that's it. See you in the next video. Bye guys.